Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Mr. Green, the Flip King, coming to you with another video. And it's been a minute since I did a video like this. I'm gonna drop a lot more of this type of content because I know you guys like to see that. I have had way more than just this one, so when I get the time to, I definitely am going to be dropping more of this content of the previous ones that I've had, because I know we all need that motivation. And it, like I said, it's not always about the dollar amount, it's about your skill set. So if you are interested in building your skill set and taking your skill set to the next level, the link will be in the bio for Pit Precision Academy, one of the best online Forex academies, period, point blank. And you know, since I am mainly an indices trader, we go over everything. And if you can trade indices, you can trade any and everything, I promise you. Once I teach you my strategy, you will be able to trade any type of instrument. Now, if you already have skill sets, I do offer a signal service. I do offer challenge passes for people seeking funding. So just go ahead, click the link in the bio. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and hit the bell. Thank you, and let's get this thing rolling. So first and foremost, I was trading Nas. That's how I started. I saw that we were moving in this overall slight uptrend, bouncing off of a trend line. Overall, though, we are in a downtrend on higher time frames. So I just got to marking up. So I'm gonna put all my markups up here. And you can just see, it may look like clutter to y'all, but it makes sense once you know. If you know, you know. So I'm gonna break it down to you. So I drew this trend line right here to see that it was respecting this trend line. Once we got up to this level, I went ahead and drew a zone. You see this blue box right here? Went ahead and drew the zone. You see that it is a strong resistance. It is a strong resistance. You see it turn support for a short period of time, and then it broke that level of support, but that's not even a damn zone. But anyways, here's the appropriate zone. We have it as a strong level of a good supply zone right here. Supply slash demand zone. And then we have it broken, then we have it retested here, then we have it broken again. Then we came back into the zone, and I went ahead and marked it up, and it looked very, very good to me. I went down on lower time frames, see what we had going on. What I wanted to do though, I wanted to wait a little bit until structure was broken and I had got structure forming. So once I seen it break, bounce up off this trend line and then came down, I seen it start to test as this level of support right here. After it broke, it came back up and retested that level of support. Also, it made a lower high, so I went ahead and I placed my risk to reward ratio, and I completely just took an entry. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I look for the entry, but I just got in. As you see, I just boom, hit the sell button, no down draw. And for the signals, I called this move, and then I called us a scale-in entry. So we were able to catch well over from entry to my fib levels, because I do use fib levels to catch my to utilize as my TP areas. For the first TP, I'll tell you why I chose this for the first TP area before I extended it out. So it was a level of support right here. This yellow line is a level of support slash resistance. So that's why I aim for that to be the bare minimum. But this 61 on the fibs was the overall TP target. So that's what we held and extended to. So just off of the first entry, we gained about 291 pips. And then the scale-in entry from here, I'll wait till about the blue. like about right here on that, and then all the way down. So 291 plus 211. So we have over 502 pips just off that move alone. And from that move, the account went from around, it would start off 296. I got the account up to about 500-600 bucks. Then this move happened after that move happened. So the account is really well over 296 to 1,000. It's well over to 1,300. It's well over that now. Let me see. The second move that brought the account from $600 all the way up to $1,300 was GJ. Now on GJ last night, we went ahead and we took some buys on GJ last night. And I mean some sales, sorry. We took some sales on GJ last night. Give me just 1 second. Let me pull up what's going on here. Currently monitoring some trades as my speed. Okay, GJ right here, 16 first entry, 166,550. Is this the 20 over here? Okay. This one. Boom. 166,550. We had our targets here. Entered, sold off. We sold off. I just stacked a few entries in. I had an entry that gave me 250, another entry for 114, another entry for 57, another entry. These were just quick scalps. I could have actually held the move down with just a few different entries along this move, and it would have yielded me more profits. But since I just wanted to lock profits in, I was just in and out scalping the markets until this move was over, and then was done, and pretty much saw a transition for the bullish side. Even though I didn't catch that bullish side, I went ahead and caught the bullish side of Nas and went to sleep. So I placed my buy, went to sleep, woke up in crazy profits off one entry. And I just want to let you guys know to always trust your analysis no matter what. Your analysis is your analysis. And in order to form a proper strategy, you have to see things through, or you won't get the results you are looking for. You're always going to be pulling out early. You're always going to be taking profits out too early. You're always going to be closing too early. You're not going to be weighing out through the down draw, through the swings, through the uptrend, through the downtrend, through the waves of the market. You need to be calm. You need to be patient, because this is a waiting game, and patience pays. If anything you're going to get out of this video, just remember that patience pays, and it is not the size of the account, it is the skill set that you have. Now, currently I am in a sale right now. For those who do not know, I have a robot, a trading robot, call it Flipbot, and it gave me this sell signal. It also called out this buy right here as well. Now, it aligns to my analysis and to my strategy pretty damn well. So I was able to capitalize off the sale that I'm currently in, and I am currently floating right now about $300 profit. Let me see if I can share my video. So if you can see that, we are currently floating $350 profit. You see that the account is now sitting at $4,033, and you can see that this is a live account. So the account is sitting at $300 profit right now, $4,300 equity. So just going to show that you guys, this is possible, and this happened in less than 24 hours. Just bring the account from 296 up to around 1300 plus last night to now. It is dark. I am just chilling in the bed. You know, I do a lot of my trading just relaxing from the bed, so don't judge me. Everybody has their own vibes that relaxes them, that keeps them at ease in these markets. I tend to trade from my bed a lot if I'm not at my office areas. I just like to switch it up. I don't like to sit at my desk all the time. Sometimes I like to be comfortable. And since I'm doing this video, I want to be comfortable as well. Now, uh, just growing this account, yes, it did take, you know, some sleep off of me just to be doing what I do in this market. Do I have to be on the charts? No, I could have just let things run, but I do like to watch the market develop in case anything goes wrong, so I can pull out, take my profits off the table, just look for a new setup. But and also I do like to just continue to build my skill set as I advise everyone else to do. But that is all for this video. I do have more trades like this, more count grown builds like this, from, you know, 400 to 5,000, 400 to 10,000. I have plenty more content coming, guys. Please go ahead, share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell, and I am out. Yay!